I'm going to click on this for a YouTube link. Let's practice. So we're going to practice singing this song together. Are you guys all ready to do that? I see a thumbs up if you're ready to do that. Thumbs up? Big thumbs up, everyone. All right, fantastic. I love to see those thumbs. And heaven and nature sing. 1, 2. Heaven and nature.
And heaven and nature sing.
All right, fantastic. Could I get one more time? And remember, let's say it loud, guys. I need to get to hear you, okay? 1, 2. And heaven and nature sing. Heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Yes, fantastic. You're all doing a great job. Now we're going to sing the rhythm.
Everybody, clap your hands together. Dee-dee-da, dee-dee-da-da. One more time. Dee-dee-da, dee-dee-da-da. Heaven and nature sing. Heaven and nature sing. Now try again, slowly with me. Dee-dee-da, dee-dee-da-da. Now say the word together. Heaven and nature sing. Can you do that a little bit quicker? And heaven and nature sing. Are you ready? 1, 2. Heaven and nature sing. Quicker. Heaven and nature sing. Quicker. Heaven and nature sing. Quicker. Heaven and nature sing. One more time. Heaven and nature sing. Excellent job. Now put a little end in the beginning. And heaven and nature sing. 1, 2, 3. And heaven and nature sing. Good job, everyone.
Now that you guys have the rhythm, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
You guys are doing such a good job. Wow. Fantastic. Are you guys ready for the next part? Thumbs up if you think you can remember that and you're ready for the next part. Joy to the world. Could you guys repeat that after me? Joy to the world. 1, 2.
Joy to the world.
Okay, good job, guys. Wow. Do you guys know what joy means? Joy is yorokori, happiness, like excitement. Joy. You guys can all say joy? Yep. All right, fantastic. I like the thumbs, so let's keep the thumbs, guys. Whenever you guys understand something and you're ready to move on, instead of speaking, you can just thumbs up. And we got it. If you understand the concept. So.
Act joy. さあみんな、joy を演技で表してみましょう。画面の前でみんなの精一杯のジョイリアクションをください。1, 2, joy! みんなうまくできたかな？さあ画面には アイザック先生じゃなくて、ビニンセンの社会の先生のアダム先生が嬉しい時のリアクションが出てきますよ。いいですか？ポン！はい、アダム先生のジョイリアクションでした。Good job, everybody!
Repeat after me. To the world. To the world. To the world. Joy to the world. The Lord has come. The Lord has come. The Lord has come. Joy to the world. The Lord has come.
So could you say earth? Can you all say earth?
Good job, ゆめ。日本の子供たちにはこの earth っていう発音がちょっと難しいかもしれません。ですからここでまたアイリーン先生からプチアドバイスです。earth これを上手に発音する方法を考えてみましょう。まずは一番最初のこの っていう音はどうやって作ったらいいと思う？簡単なんだよ。みんなのお口をしてください。そう。のお口のまんま、あーって言ってみて。っていう音になるでしょ？のお口をしたまんま、あーって言うと、という音になります。これね、台湾のお友達はすぐできるの。同じ音が自分の言葉の中にあるからね。日本のお友達にはこの音がないので難しいけれども、のお口であと言えばすぐできます。そのまま伸ばして、で、最後は、これを見たらどうするんだったかな？そう、軽く舌を歯で噛みます。強く噛んだら痛いよ。ね。神様からいただいた大切な体なので、痛いようにしないようにしましょうね。すじゃなくて、舌を噛むことで閉じるの。もう一度。さあ、earth はこれのことです。Repeat after me. Let earth receive her king. Let earth, 1, 2, let earth receive, 1, 2, receive her king, 1, 2, her king. Let earth receive her king. 1, 2, let earth receive her king. Now, what is earth? Earth. Now, how about king? King. Repeat after me. Let every heart. さあ、ここにも E, A, R あるでしょ？見てごらん。さっきの earth も E, A, R だったね。そう。さっきの earth のっていう音がここにも出てきます。のお口であって言って伸ばすんだよ。hurt. Good job. Let every heart. 1, 2, let every heart. Repeat after me. Prepare him room. Prepare him. 1, 2. Prepare him. Room. 1, 2. Room. All together. Prepare him room. 1, 2. Prepare him room. One more time. Prepare him room. 1, 2. Prepare him room. Let every heart prepare him room. 1, 2. Let every heart prepare him room. それでは、アイリーン先生と一緒にダンスをしながらこの歌を全部歌ってみましょう。振り付け動画が始まるよ。Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive the King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing.
And have a great week, everybody. Goodbye. Bye. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.